Solve the system of equations x squared plus 1/9 y squared equals 1 and x plus y equals 3. So this is a non-linear system. Since both of the equations are not lines, or in three variables planes, but once you have anything besides just plain old x's and y's, it's non-linear. So what we generally do here is use substitutions and eliminations. So what I would notice is, well, I could take this second equation, I could easily solve for either x or y. And so I'll say that y is equal to 3 minus x. And I'm going to use that 3 minus x to substitute for y in the other equation. And so that gives me x squared plus 1/9 of, instead of y, 3 minus x squared equals 1. So then x squared plus 1/9, okay, 3 minus x squared is 9 minus 6x plus x squared equals 1. Distributive property, x squared plus 1 minus 1/9 of 6 is 2/3 x, and then plus a 1/9 x squared equals 1. I guess we could, if we wanted to, we could have multiplied through by 9 to clear the fractions. I like that better. Let's get rid of those fractions. So instead what I'm going to do now, go back here, I'm going to clear out the fractions by multiplying through by 9, the entire equation. So that would be 9 times x squared plus 9 times 1/9 times 9 minus 6x plus x squared equals 9 times 1. So that gives me 9x squared. Now on the second term, the 9 and the 1/9, that goes to 1. And so we just have plus 9 minus 6x plus x squared equals 9. So then 10x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 9. Get it to 0, and we have 10x squared minus 6x equals 0. I can solve that by factoring. X by 10x minus 6 equals 0, and this implies that x equals 0, or x equals 6 over 10, which is 3/5. So x equals 0, and x equals 3/5. But wait a second, we were solving a system of equations. So now we know that y is equal to 3 minus x. Alright, so if x equals 0, then y would equal 3 minus 0, and y would equal 3. So that gives us one ordered pair. That would be 0, 3. If x equals 3/5, y would equal 3 minus 3/5. Well, 3 is 15/5 minus 3/5, and so y would equal 12/5. And so that would give us another solution as an ordered pair, 3/5, 12/5. So we have two solutions of the system, 0, 3, and 3/5, 12/5.